Good evening. So, hope you all understood operation. Okay. Now, look at here. This is our collection. In the collection, inside collection we have array locations 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Location we have object, second location, third location, fourth location, fifth location, and sixth objects. This object is A, B, 5, 6.7, true, single quote P, something. Now, I am asking the collection is a double quote say contains in your memory. Then what contains method said yes, available. It returns what? True. I'm asking, is a double quote say available? Then it said no. Then I pass null, is it available? Then I am asking the question, where? You said A is available. Where? In 0 location, 1 location, 2 location, 10 location, in which it is available. For example, now, child, student there in the classroom, then a parent came or principal sent the, peon, go and check Balai Babu. Okay. So finally, Balai Babu there in the classroom. Then now the peon went back to the the peon went to the principal and told, Balai Babu is there. Then he asked, where is Balai Babu there in the class? Next to window, in the middle of the class. Some location is asking. Then peon again come back and where is Balai Babu is there? Next to the window. The moment teacher, the lecturer look at the board, he will jump from here. That's all, no? Right? Then now tell me. So the principal already have a doubt on Balai Babu. He may escape from the class. He wanted to catch. That's why the principal coming and standing here. Okay, now when Balai Babu trying to jump, now principal is there. Go and listen the class, right? In the is what I want to find where that is available. That means index number I want. So call dot what you want to find in what index A. Okay, then what I want the index number of the object. Okay, index of A index. Now the A is not available. Not available. Index. Tell me if it is available, index of double quotes A should return. That will be 0, 2 size minus 1, size minus 1. If double quotes A is not available, what I can say? Available? No. Before 0. What is before 0? Minus. If the element not available in the collection, we have to return minus 1. What index of null? Null is available. Null index number we have to return. So for that we have to write logic. So count of A is available 0. So what you're expecting here? 0. A is not available. Null is available or not? Where? So 1, 2, 4, 5. Here what I should get? 5. Then tell me, either you want to find object available or not, or you want to find the object index number. You have to follow linear searching algorithm. You have to compare double quotes A is matched with double quotes A. Yes, directly written 0. No for comparison. Double quotes A comparing with what first? Is it double quotes A? No, 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 and returns what? -1. And next null. Again compare with the first object. Is it null? Null, 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 null. Yes, here null. Then what? Other comparisons required or not required? Not required. So what should I return? I should return the index number of the object for linear search algorithm. So write a method. This method returns given object index. Object. Tell a object can have all occurrences. Then which occurrence it will remove? All occurrences. This method returns in place of index of first occurrence. First occurrence given object. Okay. And now at the rate parameter obj for at the rate return return index number of this first occurrence. What is the prototype of the method? Public type is in. Method name is x of what I have to pass? Object obj open bracket. Now if the count -1, then now the question, this object may be null. First of all, if you want to compare this object with the elements available in the array list, it's available in the object array, first I have to take to the local variable now. Object ed equal to element data of I. Sorry, semicolon, right? Then I have to verify equal to null. Then for I equal to 0, I less than size -1, I plus. Next, tell me this execute. How many times the size is executed? The size is executed for every. It is also performance issue, right? So, okay. I'm not going to remove here. I'll tell you the problem if I take size method out. Okay. At this minute, let it be their size. And then here I have tried what? If ed of equal to null. What should I do? Return I. Return true na return I. Yesterday we returned true. Now I need to return what? I, index number. Next, return -1. If control come out of the for loop, I have to return -1. Else, for int I equal to 0, I less than size -1, sorry, I less than size plus plus. If what? J dot equals of ed of I. Ed of I. If yes, return I minus. Right? Save it. Come here. Then index of method. 0 minus 1 5 came na. So the logic we have written is लोगों में आया शाबाश शाबाश the batch. What about you? Good in Java? वो अच्छा है. Here I have index of method. Logic I have written inside context method same na. This is what written. Two types. I read one method logic in another method, but written for both are different. Then return generate the other return type. Boolean int or from int can generate Boolean. Yeah, what? No, come on, tell me. I'm asking question. The logic in both methods same. From which method to other method, I have to generate return value. And which method I can reuse in another method. Text in contain. Contains of that to call contains index of. Right? So here return contains of. We call contents of obj. It returns. How can I generate index number? So wrong answer. Should call index of return of index of by passing obj. What it returns? Either -1 or 0 greater than 0 between 0 to size. Tell me, with the return value, can I just if available true, if not false. If index of method returns greater than or equals to 0, that means element if not available returns -1 greater than or equals to 0. So when you develop the logic, you have to verify when you are writing say it repeatedly the logic in all methods. One method call the other method some operators to generate result. Let's see with this modified code are you getting same output? True, false, -1, 5. How many ways we are having searching? 2 ways. Search for the object, search for the index. For the object use content. No. I want to find the object. Also I want to find this object. Then I have to use what? Everyone understood it? Okay. Now, index of method returns first occurrence, last occurrence, middle occurrence. But I want today comma space last index we found like that. I want if object comparing from 0 to last 0 na ante simple. You have to write index of reverse. For loop you have to write reverse. Search the value from last index. Study finding should I show my talent? Returns last occurrence of given object. Object for searching, return index number of this object. Logic is same or different? Copy. method. Index of place, what you write? Last index of. If obj null, then where I have to write here? Size -1. Greater than or equals to I plus minus minus. Logic is same. Now here I value is 0 na or size -1, 11. Size -1, 11. Totally we have stored 12 objects. 11 onward, size -1, 10. In number what will get 10. 10 onwards it will work. Same thing here. I equal to size -1 greater than or equals to 0. I minus. So copy paste to row. In place, so you write to last index of last index of last index of 0 -1. Tell me, what the index number will get? 0 na? No. Count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 we must. A -1. How many nulls you have stored? 1 null. That is last. 6 - 5. Okay, na? Expected output coming or? That's it. So this is about searching operation. So there are two searching operations are there, either by first in I want to find available or not. If you want to find object available or not, call contains method. If you want to find where it is available first occurrence, index of. Where it is available last occurrence, last occurrence. Sir, I have multiple occurrences, sir. Then how can I get middle occurrence? Not possible. Not possible. Again, sir, why not possible? Because how do I know which occurrence, sir? Okay? I think those are, I can that you have to write your own. Then next point. Tell me. So what are the different operations I can perform on a collection? Collection creation. Second one is what? Adding. First operation number 1. Adding object without size limitation. Yeah. So that we second operation is what? Count the number of objects. Counting number of objects. Tell me. System dot out and call dot size. Either so is 7. What is 20? Is the capacity size is what? 11. Initial what the capacity size is what? 0. And elements, no elements. True, sorry. 10, 0, no element. Then slowly one element will and printing. Okay, next. Operation number 3. Printing already printed for now purpose. Operation number 3. Printing objects available in collection. System dot out Okay. Custom 2011. Then next, operation number 4. Operation number 4, searching. Searching given object in collection. Now, given object in collection for operation 5, searching given object, searching or retrieving. Retrieving means it internally contains what? Searching. Retrieving given object index, or you can say finding the index of given object in collection. Next, operation number 6. Last index of given object in collection. Okay. Now, next of number 7. Retrieving object from the collection. Tell me, if you want to retrieve, elements available collection, I have to tell to collection, I want 0 index object, I want this object, I want that object. That means all these objects are identified by index number. Na? So retrieving object collection. What a given index. That means all dot perform what operation? Get. Method name is what? Get. Set is get is get of call get index number. I'm giving index number 0. So tell me, is the get method by default available in our collection? Is get method by default available in the collection? No. I have to define how to generate method. Control 1 method. What the return type of this method? Object. Index I index. Hey, very one. Now, what the use of this method? Returns given index of from parameter is in return object. Simple. Returns object. Tell me logic what I should read. Guess. Get method must return given from given index object from collection or element from the array. For loop. Why for loop? Do you need to retrieve all elements or only given index element? What is the logic? How can I retrieve element from the array? How can I retrieve element from the array name dot index number? Antera. This is the logic. Already you know, you forgot. I have int array I equal to floor break 5 6. I want retrieve 4. I want retrieve 5. All can of in na. That's all. Retrieve, return. You want retrieve. In this method, I should retrieve and return. It's online. So go passing this index from. Okay. Whether this logic executing or not, control F11. Zero index object is what? A. Wow, A is coming. Next, now I want say some fourth index object. Call dot get of fourth. Who is the fourth index object? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth index object is P. Yes. Next, I want to retrieve something called 10th index object. What is the 10th index object? True. Or not? Yes. I want to retrieve -1 index object. Other by passing -1. -1 will go to get method. One is stored in index. -1 is passing to array. In array -1 location, there are not there. What JVM will do? Throw array index out of bounds. So tell me what the rule in calling get method, not number, whatever you like. But now tell me, by this, I may get a feeling that I am working with array. Na? I have to feel I am working with what collection. But you are sending what array into exception. Wrong idea. Inside get try catch. Who is it? Forget about user. From the programmer, from the NIT class programmer point of view, NIT, collection developer should give a feeling to the working with. I'm not talking you. I'm talking about main method. I'm talking about the user of the collection. Okay. Tell me here. I should write if condition. If index greater, if less than 0, or index greater than or equals to size. Greater than or equals to size. Then what to do? I will throw my own exception. Throw new index out of bounds exception by passing that index. Understood? If less index to size, throw equal to size you have to give, because size also not allowed. And then we throw exception. JVM throwing exception, but JVM throwing exception is array index. Array index is not meaningful to me, right? I want my own exception. So index out of bounds. Now let's see now here, control F11. What you're getting now? Index out of range. What is that? Minus. From where it is coming? From here. It is coming from where? Just click on links. At this line number, we are getting exception. So tell me where I have to correct this exception. In the get method logic, get calling logic. Calling logic you have to correct. What to correct? Comment. Index out of bounds exception. And tell me, can I pass size? What the size value? 11. Size is 10. 10 or 11, 11. Now I'm passing 11. Accepted? No. The bounds exception. X out of range. Started. Come on, complete. Enough. So I hope how to work with the get method. It's a simple story. Okay. Next, listen. My operation. What is that? Correct? Remove is my favorite operation. No, if any online student showing his talent, what am I doing? Tell me. Now go to online students. Go to participants. Tell me. This participants window is a collection of students. Now Zoom is a collection of students. Now here find a participant. Now I want to find Bhushan. Bhushan. Now I want to remove from the Bhushan. I have first what? Search. There are so many students. You are my favorite student, no? Always you torture me with stupid questions. So I want, this is a collection. Okay, online students. This window is okay. All 247 online students are there. Among them, what should I do? I Bhushan. What happened? All the students are filtered. Only what is coming classes. You will enjoy with stream IP if you understand this. Okay. Now Bhushan. Now look at there. Bhushan. All are filtered. Only the given student. Select here. Click on remove. Listen. Whenever I click on remove, is immediately removing or confirming? In my I have remove, it is successful. The team will look at my face and hey, if unfortunately I click on the remove button, actually I unknowing on now it is removed. Okay, na? You want na? No, Babu, that way you should not do. Before or before updating, you have to get information. Is about to change. To be did or you want to change your mind. Okay, na? Right. So is the option want to perform? I want removing what you removing given object from the collection. Removing from the collection. How to remove? System.out.println dot what is the name? Remove. Is that by default available? In some given collection it is available. In our collection available. Dot remove of what you want remove double quotes. Let's say I want remove B object. I want remove B object. Okay, B object a string object with the data B. Remove string object with a okay. Method is I have to create remove method. Create method remove of string. Okay. Return type. After removing, I should say yes, your object is removed. Boolean. If not removed, return false. If removed, return true. What you want? Always you want remove string or object? Object obj. Okay. Purpose of this method. Given is collection. Parent object removed. And true if object is found and removed. False if object is not found. Object is not removed if not found. If true, if object is removed, false, if object is not removed. By being not removed. What logic I should? If you want to find, say, if you want remove object, I should find that object. Na? How can I find object? Find means what? Search. Right? Search means to searching. Here searching. Process. I have to argument with the first object, second object, third object. Na? For that I have to write for the coming object may be null. Then what I should write? Object array ed equal to element data semicolon. Okay. Next. For if obj is null, then for check for int x I equal to 0, I less than size I, why size minus 1? Up to size you have to come to. Then e of I equal to null, then what to do? Contains method, return true. If it is the index of method, return I. If it is the remove method, remove. Which current object? From where? Remove current location object from this collection. I have to write here. Correct? Write that logic here. Okay. Next. If control come out of the for loop, what should I do? Should I remove any element or return false? If element inside if block, I have to return true. I have to remove that element and then return true. If control come out of the for loop, element not found, element is not removed, return false. Then else block, same, इधर भी लिखना पड़ता है. In place, what do you write? Obj dot equals of ed of I. If true, remove, return true, else return false. Understand the template of the code? Andara chustunara? Everyone looking here? Collection. What is the meaning of remove? Remove is the most dangerous operation. I know subject 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. I want the meaning of B. This is the original collection. After remove operation, B should be there or should not be there? Look at the screen. Looking at. I want remove B means what I will take one sword. Rampam, katti. What you call rampam in Telugu, English? Rampam. Sa. Okay, I have to bring one sa. Not sa. Si sa, no. Cutting sa. Okay. Then by taking that sa, I have to cut. Yes or no? Sa. Okay. And this side I have left side piece, right side piece. I have to. Wow, super, na? Can you turn join? Observe, when you want remove, what are you doing? You bring the cursor before the B and what? Delete. What happened? Delete. Ray. 3 times delete, 4 times delete. Wow, namaskaram. Look at this. What is happening? Observe. Observe, observe. Blinking. और एक बार देखो से I know B. Ma? Again. Sorry. Again, observe. In a computer world, there is no concept called. This point I told you once upon long ago. Sequence characters. Above 5 months back we discussed, right? Now tell me. Now here, B, when I remove, what is happening? There is no concept called remove. I have a concept called replace. Whenever I say remove, what happens? Right location data is moving to left location. Samajh mein aaya? Tell me. This is what? Array. This is array. Inside array, I have elements. Comma separator there. Hey. In array, comma separator there. String is there, we attaching. How is my friends? Recovering us? Platelets. Dengue ante platelets problem. Then ask papaya juice. Taking a papaya leaf juice. Yeah. That medicine is there, bottle is there. Look at here. Now, I want to. There is no concept called remove. Only what operation I have to do? Replace. Move the. This is move index plus one location. Correct? In my academics, my sir is teaching in C or C++ when he's teaching. Move index plus location to index. What are you talking? Nonsense, fellow. I didn't understand one word also. This word is confusing me a lot. Ith number, I plus one number, I minus one number. Because I was not concentrating what is still. And moreover, in colleges, everyone explains not with a diagram. Diagrammatic representation, they don't use. So that's why I confused. So I think you also will confuse. Yada Raja? Here, I pass B. Okay. I available which index? 1. Then 1 become what? I index. Ith index. Ith index is what? 1. Now, on next location to this location. Next location ante plus 1 na? I plus 1 equal to what? Index location value move. That's all. That's all. I have to up to what? Size. Replace plus 6 plus 1 replace with P. P should replace null. Null is duplicate of there. Now P is what? Now tell last you are copy paste. Java you are cut Copy paste, copy paste. Programming language, there is no cut to paste. We have only you copy A, paste it in the previous location. Now in the both locations we have A. The last to cut and copy it. Replace. There is no remove, yeah. Replace with what? Spacer. Space is also a value. What? I have to store. Tell me. Remove location has number one, search. Replace. And third, store. Null in last location. So how many operations I have to do for remove? Search for the given location, then replace I plus 1 to size, and store now the last location, size location. Hello, done? Completed? When you remove element, you should decrease size, na? For decrease size by 1. समझ में आया? पक्का? Write code now? I write a, we write a. Really? అసలు ఆ వర్డ్ చాలు రా బాబు, నా జన్మ ధన్యం అయిపోయింది. ఓకే, బట్ వన్ వర్డ్ ఈజ్ సఫిషియంట్, యు నో, మై లైఫ్ ఈస్ గెట్ వాట్ ఐ కెన్ సే, మై లైఫ్ గెట్ సెలబ్రేషన్స్. ఓకే, అంటే జనరల్ ఇఫ్ యూ సర్ వి ఆర్ రైట్ అబ్బో, దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ మోర్ దెన్ ఎనఫ్. కమ్ ఆన్, లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్. వాట్ ఐ షుడ్ డూ నౌ? I found the object here. I found null or whatever. What I should write? For loop na? I want to move the elements. Tell me. Now, what is the I value? Int j equal to, start from where? I. Andega. I have to move the element from the object found or na? What the j value? 1. 1 is nothing but I. Next I do until j less than size. Size is size minus 1. Your cursor should point into last location, last but one location. Up to here only, up to 4 only move. Should not go to 5. Understood? Up to 4 only you have to move. You have to be at 4. Is I plus 1. Now the A move to I plus I. So then in this last location directly you have to store what? That means j value minus 1. J minus 1 A plus plus. Inside for loop what I should write? Ed j equal to d of j plus 1. You want to move j location to j location. J, sorry, could I could 0. I'm confusing, sir. Hey, don't carry on very concept above. Already you have used I for outer. I don't want to carry the same I again. I'm choosing another variable called what? J. No, what with I enter? Okay, take it. Don't take J here. You write what? I less than is minus 1. What do you write? I plus plus. What do you write here? Ed of I equal to Ed of again. So the want to use outer loop. I want to continue with what? Inner loop in the elements. Understood? Tell me. So by the time completed, all elements is my moved in the fifth location after for loop. Once the control come out of the for loop means all elements moved completed, but last two locations be same element. Size minus 1 or size minus 1. Size minus 1 equal to size ante 5 or 6 or size value 6. Size minus 1 is number location. You want fifth index location, you want fifth size minus 1. Size minus 1, what value assign? Null. And then next what I should write? Decrease size, element count minus minus. Size is referred by element count minus minus. Return true. We are writing inside. Then what happens? Now the program is terminated. Go out. Element is okay na? What do you write now? Same logic. Paste in if condition. Same logic I should write. Let us try. Is B removed? 1, 2, 3. Before remove display collection, after removing I am displaying collection. Look at E, removed or not? All elements are moved side. These are not, we have to verify. Now, before I'm in call dot size and after call dot size. What the size before? 11. After that true 10. I want this available one time. See 2 times of 1 time I have to write here. What is the two string method? In two string method I have to write two string size place I am writing capacity. All elements I am displaying. Is available one time. So if I don't write, if I don't write this null, what happened? True is available 2 places. Okay, this is the original place. Right side, copy paste. It is a copy pasted here. Still, it is available in this. Understood? Yes. Java copying from variable to another variable, location to location, cut paste, no, copy paste. So 2 times is there. So I should remove this, right? After copying, I don't want that to true. For that, what I should write here? Assign none. Now tell me, there are not there. Only true mode, second true is not. Everyone understand every line why I have written? Super. Now, let us try to remove null. So, is it possible to remove null? Save. Tell me, null is also removed. Kahan hai? Idhar removed and A is moved na? Yes. Okay, and last null is there. And previous elements how many? 11. Now 2 elements are removed. Size is what? 9. Now I am trying to remove capital A. Is the capital A available? Not available. Then return false, except return false, and size decreased or not decreased? Not decreased. Same elements. Okay, nobody? Stream Manoj, understand the story. Forget about logical. Is this code everything on the logical programming? So I told you from the day beginning. Array, by end of the course, you will learn logical programming also. That memory should have in your mind. To achieve this memory structure, when to write else, when to write less than operator, greater than operator, just use design. Don't write memory. Nikem kaval want. Tumko kya chahiye? Question. What I need? This is the input. This is the output. Have full clarity on input and output. Middle logic automatically you can write. So why you people are getting confusion? What is the output you want? You never it. What is the input? What is then code will come automatically. So tell me, logic first, method call first. Then what is my requirement? This is my requirement. I will give you one object, remove from the collection. As what is a collection? This is a collection. In collection, what is the statement? Then tell me, I want remove it. What the meaning of remove? Remove ante like in the world, can I cut it? No. What should I do? I should link. So in the computer world, what am I doing? I am just removing. When I press remove, what is happening? Right side available, all data is moving to left. Oh, in Java, I have to move ante replace. Where are you? The given index element replace element. So this thought process should come. That's all. I'm telling you, damn sure, logical programming capacity will be improved if you practice all collection program. Pakka. So what you will have confidence. Then next, what you should do slowly. Now, maximum array operation. Now you Google search a pattern. Understand? Array programs, pattern programs. So array programs are 20, pattern programs 20. You complete after this collection chapter. If you go to that one, collection will not. Okay. First, what you do? Let complete collection chapter fully. After collection completed, core Java do one-time revision of all the story. Then daily one array, one pattern program you practice. Around 15 days you practice. 15 days. Okay, around 20, 20, 40 programs to 50 programs you practice. Then see your programming level will be improved. Then later you go to hackerrank.com, interviewbits.com, or leadcode.com. These websites you go, and there are some scenario based programs are there. They will give statement based. For maths you have problem, word problems. Yeah. So in your maths we have problems. Last year my son came and asked, Nana, word problems given today in the maths I have to solve. What is the meaning of word problem? There is a 2 kids are there. At one kid 3 chocolates are there. He has given 1 chocolate to second kid. Then totally how many chocolates are there at first kid? Okay, that is called word problem. From this word problem, you should understand subtraction. First initially 3. Okay, 1 chocolate given. Ante 1 chocolate decrease. Decrease means what? Subtraction. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Now the first, after giving 1 chocolate to second kid, first kid have only 2 chocolates. That is a word problem. That word problem based programs in Java. TCS, all MNC companies are program as array program. In Amirpet you learn, take a array of integers, find maximum number of available in the integer. That is what? Program question. Now in the TCS exam, what they will give you? I have room. In that room, I have 5 students. In that 5 students, I am allotting rank number. 5 rank from the room. Not understood. It's very tough. TCS exam is very tough. Room ante array, right? In array we have five students and a student object. Student, they have what? Rank numbers. Property called what? Rank value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Then what you have to write a program? Class student with a property rank. Then the test class you have to create with a student array. Classroom main student array with how many students he is asking? 5 students. 5. Student 1, student 2, student 3, student 4, student 5. Store all the students inside array. Then the rank for what? Or first high student you take it out. Highest rank and a 5 one ray. You have to see students different rank zigzag order. Don't store in a ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4. Store in a zigzag order. Okay, na 3, 2, 4, 5, 1 like zigzag order you store. Search, write for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than size, and then retrieve what you want to compare student rank. Student rank is equal to student of get right, get rank set rank. Get rank equal to what the rank given rank. If yes, then what is say? Return that student reference. Return one reference. Scenario based program as so this type training. If you more examples, where we can find these examples? Google. Go to HackerRank. Go to LeetCode. Coach website. They kind you start working programming skill is in running racer or whatever, and tell me now I am showing how to run. How many days I can show? If you start running, then in the competition you can participate. If I only running, you are seeing, finally I'll become what? Become competitor. I will have to go on behalf of you. Right? You have to do your job. So with the I shared, you have to start work. No faculty improve your logical thinking. You have to improve by your own. No chance. You know, right? Stick. With the fingers you can, right? Karasama in Telugu we call it. With the fingers you can move. Right? Tell me, my father used to do wonderfully. And he is trying to teach me. One day I tried. Then that stick is coming and beating me like different places. Then I don't want that. Okay? And he practiced with his finger. Practice. And he is very efficient in doing farming. Okay? Now I liked it. Then by seeing my interest on farming, my father started getting tension. Maybe I don't do school. Once you habituate with farming, you don't like school. Because in the farming, you have the full freedom. No one coming and beating you, no. In the school, you have to study. Somebody is coming and beating. Exams are there. A lot of insulting is there. Oh, a lot of problems. So then he observed that I am liking farming and I am doing farming. Something called, right? With the buffaloes, we have to take it something, right? Tractors and all. That time, tractors are not there. So now I see it and good, becoming day by day better. Then he identified, then he started giving warning. If you come to farm, I'll kill you. Go. Don't come. Murder, okay? So don't come. So you have to skill, Baba. You have to practice. With the knowledge I shared, you have to practice. You should not blame any faculty or any trainer. You didn't teach that. You didn't teach that. What you know, where you are weak, you improve it. How to improve? You have resources. Google is there, books are there. You have to spend the time to read and improve yourself. Last thing, I am very strong in, too much strong in car driving. My driver didn't teach me properly. One day on him, I stopped going. After I got a license, car license I got. Still I have the pending classes. I didn't go because he's not allow me to drive as I like. He is confusing me. Sometimes he's using accelerator and scolding me return. I am scolding you. If somebody is scolding me, will I accept it? No. Then look at him. Tomorrow I am not coming. Get out. I have my brother have car. Then when I called my friend, then I only taking the car. Then I called my brother and told, Bhaiya, I took car. Hey, don't worry, my friend is with me. Then where I have to lend the car? Yes, huh? Drive in open space. How can I get car driving? Because I have to drive in Amirpet roads, na. Right away I bring the car to Amir. Well, much traffic is heavy traffic. I always take risk. Can you? So I in Amirpet started careful, Anna. Right, sit silently, I will drive. Because already I know bike drive, no. That too I drive my Pulsar 180. So that much heavy brake and this traffic. So this car is a Jujubi, right? Pulsar I managed, right? Now managing I understood. All these things I understood. Started driving slowly. Then with 3 days, I got habituated to driving. Brother, by the way I am driving, he observed. Okay, Savashra, very quickly car. Then next we are going to hometown. Highway within I habituated. Then he started giving car directly to. I have interest. I am telling all these things. I have an interest of driving the car, and I want to be independent of my brother. When I am going to my hometown, I don't want my brother come with me. Every time, and he. So I want to. I also know. I want. I have driving. Then slowly, how much I come to the expert level. Even I can. Sleep card. I will teach you also, okay? Okay. Much, but now I mastered my skill of programming also. This to unabbreviated. All people understand remove. Can't remove by object. I remove object by object. Tell me, can I remove object by index? I don't want which object available. You know, every day I want the student who is there in the first chair. Decided. I want the now. Right? I am not concentrating on a particular student. I am concentrating on what? Location. This location, I want to punish him. So I am calling the same remove method by index number 3. Whatever object is available, I will remove that object. This method available. Available or not available? If I give 3 here, is it considering as an index or considering as an object? Auto box. Now it is considered as what? Integer object 3. Now the remove method integer object whose value is what? 3. Available or not available? Then will it remove or not remove? Not remove. You will. But I want to tell as an index number. Overload. I should over movement. Remove given index object collection. Object index. Parameter is index for removing object. And returns, what should I return? True, false, sir. I gave you 3 indexes is there, na? Removed which object removed object. Now, how to write? Tell me. What I index object. What logic right? For int already right? Remove replace it. Replace invocation with index means initial value decided here. Table I know it. Then what index less than size minus I plus I plus index inside our ed in to ed of what is right? Index plus 1. Okay, tell me what from index all elements are moving through. Okay, then for loop coming out, what do you write? Ed of size, ed of size minus null, then element count minus tell me from this return object na, so I write element object equal to element okay ed of that index number. So I am taking to my local variable. Understood? First I am taking that object index object into my local variable, then I start moving elements. At end of this method I am return index element. So here I take an array into my local variable, then I taken the object available in the array into my local variable, then I started moving index plus 1 location to index, assign the last location, decrease the number element, save it, run program. 1 3 index of p is removed and written. Observe now. A5 7 P. What is coming? A5 6.7 P. Okay, na? Element of one element index is decreased to 2. So remove operation is very simple operation. You have to move the elements from location to previous location. You can understand remove operation? Nice. I have apartment. I have to go. Okay. Now go first. Come. So need to update this remove a little bit. Okay, actually, in a little later by I cover this meeting organized. power fluctuations, K, and I meeting people agreed. Organize it. I can manage. Okay, thank you. So go on handling. How many people completed? All the basic and string computer. Now you are string started. Thank you.